We have a special guest today.
Who it is, boys? Oh, that sounds good. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on in, bro. Yeah, you're good. Oh, what? I'm slacking, dude. I'm slacking.
What's up, man? Wore hoodies and
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you too, man. Looks like I'm in the right place. Look at this guy.
Yeah.
This guy's got a Type R and a BRZ. Shoot.
That's right. This is gorgeous.
Thank you.
Is this? Oh, you have a radar detector?
Yeah. I don't like to play with that because the time in my life when I had a Type R and I got a lot of trouble because of it. So. Oh, yours is a 2020.
It's a 21.
Oh yeah, that's right. You do have the bezels, but I could never tell because it's black. Man, you make me miss mine.
There's still a lot of stuff that I need to do to it.
Yeah.
I'm not content with the way it is yet.
Well, you got your various parts. You got what else is there to do?
The various parts. I'll have to do the Swift springs at some point.
You haven't done them yet?
No.
Wow.
No, it's still stuck right height. Yeah. It looks a little fucked because the tires are smaller than the stock.
255?
Well, the overall size of the tire is a little smaller.
Yeah.
And it just doesn't fill in the wheel well as it should.
Oh.
So I should have gotten.
Well, what's the spec on them, dude?
These are 255, 35, 18. I should have gotten a 40 series sidewall.
I mean, so I ran the same tire. What is your 18 by 9.5?
Yeah.
I ran the same rim and tire spec, but when I was on the lowering springs, it actually looked perfect. So I think you just need some springs.
Okay. Dude, Brandon's BRZ looks so nice. I love it. His exhaust, so he has the NVIDIA N1 on his. We're about to do a side-by-side comparison because he has the premium trim level and I have the limited, so there's some minor differences we'll go over, but for now, we're just gonna go rip around, maybe get some pulls side by side, if you know what I mean. That was pathetic. He was in second. This car doesn't have a lot of torque. You know, it's only rated at like 100. What is that? 184. Oh, look at this. Give him a little room. Oh man, if I had the Type R right now, I'd play around with that guy. Not sexually, I mean like with his car. Hit it, bro. That sounds good. Dude, this thing is so quiet, it hurts.
Okay. Yeah.
Feel me?
Yeah.
I go for a dive, so this is all you.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, go!
That man's crazy. I cut it at 100, but I got him at the launch. Damn. Oh my god, that man's insane.
I have a lot more traction now. Now I'm ready to make more power because this car hooked up pretty damn well. I'm impressed. One thing I don't particularly like about this car is it seems like it's really touchy with its steering response. The Type R, especially at higher speeds, it feels a lot more stable. This thing, if you like move the steering wheel just the tiniest bit, it aggressively sways to one side or the other. Oh yeah, dude. So yeah, this is a little weird that we're just kind of here at the Freedom Factory. They're probably like, what the fuck are these guys doing?
What? We look like idiots.
Yeah, we do. This is all my fault.
That's why I don't walk around like this.
Oh, you mean like the GoPro?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't mind the GoPro thing.
Oh, I feel like an idiot.
Oh, by the way, Brandon doesn't even know who Cletus is.
I only know JDM cars, I'm sorry.
Punch it! Brandon would like me to drive around his BRZ for a bit. I have never driven a bagged car. I think it's so cool seeing it go up and down. I mean, that's amazing. I have so many questions. So his car was originally black. If you guys have seen his videos, then you'll know that. But you can see right here, this is the actual paint. And he had his cousin wrap his car. What's the color called?
Oracal Gloss Aquamarine. Yeah.
Gloss Aquamarine. Oh my god! I thought mine was low, dude.
Well, we're slammed right now.
This is way down here.
Yeah, go ahead and adjust the seat.
Dude, with the tinted windows in here, this is nice.
Yeah, you haven't tinted yours yet, but it's hot as fuck.
Yeah. Oh, yours is definitely louder than mine.
It just rumbles a little bit.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude, I need to get the windows tinted ASAP.
Yeah, and then I got the Suma side mirrors here, the wide angle.
Oh yeah, that's right.
And then this is wide angle up here too.
That reminds me a lot of the Type R, because I have the
Mugen.
I have the Mugen ones, yeah, on mine.
Yeah, I've seen them.
The only thing I don't like about these mirrors, because we basically have the same exact thing.
Yeah.
At night,
It's dark.
they fucking suck.
Yeah, that's dark. Yeah. Ride height, you press the button 3 times, or if you want to go to low ride height 3 times, and then high ride height 3 times, and then max height, like monster truck.
Dude, what?
And then the compressors make that noise until this hits 170.
So, is this stock ride height? About?
I would say yeah. Yeah, this would, yeah, because this is higher than your car right now. You see it?
How much would a setup like this cost me?
I think it's around 3,800.
Is that with insulation?
Yes, mine was. I mean, shoot, I don't remember the actual price, but it's around that range. You're looking at about $4 grand, yeah. And then the installs around that too.
Another $4 grand?
No, I'm like, it's around that, like, it's included in that ballpark.
Oh, okay.
Price. So you're gonna want to air out, yep.
So 3 times?
Yep. You have a computer controlling your car.
What? I mean, if you... Oh, dude, your exhaust is way nicer than mine.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I love this.
Does yours pop?
A little bit here and there.
Mine pops on downshift, so you do it properly.
Right off the bat, I'm noticing this is a lot more comfortable than mine.
Yeah.
By like a lot.
Yeah, I won't know till I drive yours.
Yeah, did you notice when you had your coilovers on first that it was rougher than this?
Yeah, oh dude, it was like night and day difference. We went from solid to clouds. It feels more like clouds now.
I think I have a tiny bit more sidewall in my tires than you.
Yeah.
But still like...
What are you, 35, right?
235, 40, 18.
40s?
Either way, this is a lot more comfortable.
How's it rubbing?
What's that? Is that...
Oh, it's rubbing because there's 2 of us in here. Yeah, let's just go a little bit higher. You're good.
Did that just put up the back?
Yeah. You can hear it just doing its little thing back there.
Dude, that's so cool. When you start adding more components like an aftermarket front pipe and header,
It might be too loud though.
it's gonna be super loud.
Yeah, that's why I don't know if I'm gonna do that or not. Still going for the HKS supercharger?
Yeah, for sure. Dude, your exhaust is way nicer than mine.
Yeah, the rear definitely slides out on this truck.
Way nicer. You guys know that I have the HKS Spec L exhaust. This thing, if you don't plan on doing any other exhaust modifications, like an aftermarket front pipe or header, this is the exhaust system to get. You can just get this cat back and you're done. I mean, it's a perfect loudness, immaculate tone. There's another BRZ that just stopped next to Brandon. They might know each other. Yo! That guy just like stared at me. Yep, that's nice. Alright, so Brandon's gonna drive mine now.
Want to start it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Alright.
Alright. I mean, it's an exhaust. I wasn't feeling, but Brandon did help me walk this up real quick because I procrastinate. And I chose to procrastinate so hard that I watched the Type R. I didn't watch this one. Well,
So,
I did.
So you don't have your the beep meter on? And why are you looking at your voltage here?
What do you mean? What beep meter?
When you shift, it goes beep beep beep. You don't like that?
I have it on.
Oh, at 7,000 something RPM?
What do you mean?
When you hit red line, it's supposed to beep and then you shift. Does your car do that?
Well, I try not to take it up to red line.
Oh.
It loses power after like 7,000 RPM. Have you seen dyno charts for this?
No.
Yeah, this thing loses power at like 7,000.
Oh, you got. Oh, this has the side mirror, the detection, right?
Yeah, it has blind spot detection. You have heated mirrors too, right?
No.
Oh, you don't?
No.
Okay, so we're discovering a lot more differences between the two trim levels as we speak.
So this car doesn't have a. Oh wait, screen settings. Here you go. Rev limiter. So you don't have.
Yeah, I have an indicator.
I let mine go up to 60 because it drops, like you said, around 6,400. I'd like to think.
No, the power drops off at like seven grand or like 68.
RPM?
Yeah.
How high do you usually take your RPM?
Well, it depends what I'm doing. Like if I'm racing, I'll bring it right up to 7,200.
Damn.
Like I try not to redline it, even though I
Because
accidentally do sometimes.
This is very helpful because it beeps, and then that's when I know to shift. Right here.
There you go.
It's the yellow line.
Yeah. I apologize for riding your clutch a little bit when I went from first to second, right when I let you out of the car.
No, it's okay. I ride my clutch like all the time.
I'm a freaking noob, dude. I get nervous when I drive those people's cars too.
Your car feels, I don't know how to say it. It feels like...
No, be honest with me, dude.
No, I'm trying to figure out the wording. It feels more premium for some reason. I don't know what it is. It could just be all in the head that I know that this is like a limited. But like something about it feels more solid.
Notice how much more quiet mine is?
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it has less tone to it too.
Also, Brandon totally just did the smoothest 1 to 2 shift I've ever experienced in this car.
I had to get used to
You have the audacity to come to my house, drive my car, and drive better than me.
I have the same car. That's the difference.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, let's feel this static set.
There you go.
See, it like punches you when you go over. That's why I set mine at 6,400.
That's cool, man. I didn't even know that was a feature in this car.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know what you would want yours at.
Well,
but
damn.
As you can see, it like kicked it.
No, that's fine. It's at 71, right?
72, I think. We put
Okay. So what do you think about the driving of it so far?
So I did have coilovers on my BRZ at first, and those were pretty rough. But these do feel. I mean, they're BC. I mean, which I've heard good and bad about, but they feel pretty good. Super bouncy, no, but I don't hate this. And then I also know like this has like function over, bags. Like if I were to want to swing this car, I'm not worried about it because it's on coils.
What are you worried about breaking?
On bags?
Yeah.
I mean, there's always that initial. I mean, okay, it's kind of like everybody thinks that bags can like pop, or one of your lines could pop off, or you could rip something. I don't know, or like your management and stuff can unplug while you're swinging. There's a lot to it. rather coil. It's just a strut, and you're just, you know, you got your bolts that are just in there.
So I could go a tiny bit softer.
Yeah.
Am I gonna notice much of a difference? Probably not.
A little bit of pop. There you go.
Are you heel towing?
No.
Okay. You're just a lot quicker than I am.
Yeah.
You know what you're doing, my guy?
Is that a Type R?
Yeah.
That is a Type R. Looks like someone did a donut here. Ouch. Your glass was in the way. I didn't see that.
Sorry. All right. Let's get this exhaust.
Ready?
Yeah. Dude. That sounds amazing. Oh my god, that's nice. What do you think?
I honestly like the coilovers.
Oh, you like the coilovers?
I do. And then the exhaust, I like it. I mean,
It's definitely quieter than yours though.
I can feel that. I feel like it has like a little bit more of a muffled tone to it.
Yeah. A little more like of a boomy sound.
Yeah, HKS. I mean, when they make their new one, I'm sure it's gonna be better. I love it.
I love those pops.
Dude, it's very nice.
Yours pops a little more than mine too.
You felt it?
Oh yeah.
This one, right?
Yep.
Dude, I'll literally just go around and just like hold the clutch in on second and just go. Just love hearing that. But for some reason, your brakes feel tighter than mine.
They feel tighter?
Yeah, they feel better.
Really?
And I got Brembos. I don't know what that is. What's up with that? I mean,
Oh my god, I forgot to even comment on your
so
brakes.
you didn't feel difference, then it wasn't enough for you to like think about it.
I felt a little difference with
Like these feel stiff.
like the brake pedal pressure.
I feel like my pressure is weaker. Like this one feels more stiff.
Interesting.
It could be crazy though.
Dude, that car looks so good.
It's just chilling.
It is chilling like a villain.
Oh, it's chilling like a monster truck. We didn't air out.
Oh shit, dude. That's it for today. That was a lot of fun. We both, actually you drove both my cars.
Yeah.
I drove yours.
When you come to Jack's, I'll let you drive the Z, I guess.
Oh, that'd be
I
cool.
don't know how much you'll like that.
I've never driven a Z.
350? Yeah.
I've never driven any Z.
They're just loud, you know, but they're slower than I thought they would be.
Really?
Yeah, it's NA. I think that's what threw me off, but yeah.
Well, when this was stock, I raced Sergio, and Sergio has the HR,
Yeah.
and there's.
I had the upper motor. I don't remember which one that is. The 2006
Oh, okay, so that is the.
high rev. I think that is HR.
It's the rev up, yeah.
Rev up motor. Yeah.
So it's the DE rev up. It's not the HR.
DE.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know the difference. I'm still new to the Z game.
No, you're good, man. I only know that because Sergio has talked to me a lot about them. But
Yeah.
damn, dude, I really can't get over that wrap though. I really like it. And your exhaust, freaking nice.
Well, you made me like my car more today, so I'm just gonna keep it how it is.
Yeah, man, that's a good car, dude.
The low glow and the front splitter and side splitter, and I think that's where it's gonna sit. I'm also doing a custom front grille setup, so maybe that'll look nice.
I look forward to seeing that.
Yeah. All right, man.
Cool, man. Well, hey, have a safe drive.
Yep.
Thanks for coming out. Yeah, I'm old, dude. I shake hands like this.
Fist bump. You text like your hip. Like, all right, can you see that?
Hey, have a good one, dude.